let me talk something about this guy, Gentle, the Yahoo. Everybody help me share this broadcast. If you've not shared this broadcast, if you're watching this program and you've not shared this program, you've done very, very bad. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Governor Eziokwu. I'm speaking to you from a live section, sir. Okay. It's on loudspeaker. The whole world is listening to you.
Okay. First of all, before I just want to appreciate you for what you are doing. To be honestly speaking, people will not see, or they may not see, but people like me, I'm seeing it, and you are doing wonderfully well. The action you took day before yesterday, in fact, it encouraged me, and I give you that that credit.
Thank you, sir.
Then because of the problem of Igbo man, I need to know that was the problem of Igbo man, is not an Hausa man. It's not our own problem. Yes. We are our own problem.
Yes.
We are our own problem. We are the ones who hindering our own success, our own development in our region.
Yes.
First of all, I want people to see it from this perspective. President Tinubu batara notice. Ebo she die would not be away for subsidy without proper planning. But do you know that President Tinubu in his regime, President Tinubu is disbursing a lot of money.
More than the 10th presidents ever.
No. The question is, the southeastern governors, what are they doing with those money? That's number one.
Yes.
Number two, I wonder what's an Imo State. Eba na Anambra State. Eba na Enugu State. I wonder what's an The answer will know. Oh, anyone wouldn't deal. And I know a gap of what I say, I'm marginalized. In the whole of, in fact, in the history of Nigeria, there have never been any government that have carried that have carried eastern part of Nigeria along more than Tinubu's regime. I understand the fact,
yes.
But you know the problem that we attach emotion in most of the things we do.
You are right. We
attach emotion in everything. But the fact remains that there is no government in the history of Nigeria that have concluded that that have carried eastern part of Nigeria along more than Tinubu's regime. And the question what are the eastern governors, the local government chairmen, like for instance,
what are they doing with the money?
I'm saying time without number of my live stream. Listen, I come from Obingwa local government. Obingwa local government during Buhari's regime. Odogwu was receiving about 80 million or 90 million thereabout. Okay. But in this current regime, Odogwu is receiving 400 million naira every single month.
Odogwu was receiving how much before?
Odogwu was receiving 80, 90, latest 100 million. Odogwu have never received anything more than 100 million.
Okay.
As allocation, monthly allocation. Today, as I'm speaking, Odogwu receive more than 400 million every fucking month. Now, have you seen Odogwu secretariat entrance?
it will be worse than that of Ngobala.
No, very worst. Because it's not tolerable. Now the question I want Tinubu get Abuja. No. Okay, Tinubu get Abuja. On the level like social
no.
In front of local government secretariat.
No.
Now, this is the problem that we are having. The problem of Igbo man is an Igbo man.
It's an Igbo man.
Igbo man will come like what you are doing now. What you are doing now, I expect to see at least 1,000 viewers or 10,000 viewers. Because what you are doing is this particular live stream now is something that will encourage somebody. That will teach us a lot of things. But you can't see anybody. But if like so we are our own problem.
Yes.
I know our problem online.
Yes.
Then because that the keep hope of them has the capacity. No, I'm just touching the areas. I don't want to go out.
Yes.
out of the point. But I just want to say it the way it is in my heart. Hope of them man with the capacity, because he is very, very close to Tinubu. Everywhere you see Tinubu, you will see him. He has the capacity. What's the name? Soludo has the capacity to say, Please help us to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. What is holding Mazen Nnamdi Kanu down in detention? Because we Igbo people, it's not an Hausa man that is holding Mazen Nnamdi Kanu down. It can never be. It's not a Yoruba man that is holding Mazen Nnamdi Kanu down. If Igbo people come together with one voice, the same thing I'm accusing, Kanu accused, is the same thing Sunday Igbo did. Exactly. But where is Sunday Igbo today? Sunday Igbo was held for a few months and he was released. He's working freely. He's currently in UK. So what is holding Mazen Nnamdi Kanu up one day because they don't want somebody to rule over them, because they know very well that if Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is released today, most of them, their political career will die. So the problem of Igbo man is an Igbo man. So again, that part in development in the southeastern part of Nigeria, we are the one holding ourselves ransom. It wasn't even government. With the President Tinubu's regime now, is a clear indication that government wasn't even the problem, wasn't in the picture. I'm not even understanding my point.
Yes.
You put from a kind of a small area, Patana, do you know the money generating? Do you know the allocation more groups of them is receiving? I don't expect to see any pothole in Imo State.
Oh yeah, no.
With the
So,
amount
but mana Arolani a tiny flyover and people I counter that thing.
Commission. Thank you. Now, I don't expect to see pothole in Imo State as we speak, because Imo State is receiving whipping amount of allocation monthly. So what is the problem? So let's set aside that Ndugu love us. To be honestly speaking, I can tell you for free that Ndugu love Igbo people much more than even a Yoruba man love Igbo man. Ndugu love Igbo people more than Yoruba man loves Igbo man. But I don't know why they hate. I don't know why we keep discriminating. I don't know why we are always complaining about everything, every single thing we complain. Meanwhile, we are supposed to bring development in our own region, but we stop. We shy away from the fact that it is our development. Governor, I'm happy in man.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Muliana misio kimaro nabu. Muliana misinelo wa kimaro nabu. Ejile goganyi si wane mo puri gwa gwechio. Ejila madanyi si o imago gogamu. Were anabisi na lowa kimaro nabu. Were amami anabisi na lowa kimaro nabu. Ejile jiganyi si wane mu imago gogamu. Ejila madanyi si imago biya. So many of you are so proud. This is beyond the chronings of Africa. I'm going to play a voice note here. I don't trust the source of this voice note, but I'm going to play it here because it has to do with gentle. Come check how many persons share Gorihan, how many persons now watch him. If there's need for me to do that now, if there's no need, I'll leave. Then next time. Also now they are share Keba program. Somebody commented, also this program is too expensive for him to share. Okay, 25 persons shared it, but it's not good. I've been here for more than an hour now. Now, let's go. Let me say this first. If you remove insecurity in Nigeria, if you remove insecurity, I have wisdom I can display within Nigeria. Sorry, the network is bad. Have you shared this broadcast? I'll play this voice note. I'll play it here. If you remove insecurity in Nigeria, I am sure that I'll blow your mind. I'm sure that, see, the things I see in Nigeria, there's one of my brother, I'm going to promote him one of these days. This is how ideas works. He's into farming. I'm going to go. So, I will go and show you his farm. That guy came back from abroad and he's doing farm silently. One of his cassava, abotranoria, is as big as any other thing. Be there, gallivanting up and down. Don't learn. Just that whenever I remember that we are limited as Africans, I feel bad. Now, for those of you, after everything the white man is doing to you, let me tell you, in the Bible, they also wrote so many things. Next week Sunday, let's say by next week Sunday, this coming Sunday, if I have time, I will pick facts from the Bible. You see where they even wrote what they will do to you. Do you know that they knew that if they had removed insecurity, investors would have come into this country and opened your eyes more? So they needed to create insecurity. Like in Imo, they created insecurity. The day I will tell Gento, if not that, the day I will tell those animals who walked with Gento, the day I will tell them the treasure in Okigwe, they will shed tears. But do you know why I don't want to tell them now? Because they will start stealing it. But people are there stealing it already. And they are giving you guns. You are scaring away the masses, your own people. See all of you in Imo State. You guys are idiots. Next week Sunday, somebody should remind me on Saturday. Just put me on check, remind me, because I don't have the little piece of paper I have here, written things on it. So just remind me on WhatsApp. Let's go, let me do this. So let's do this. If you remove insecurity from Nigeria, we will have more richer youths, wise, smart. Now listen.
Hello.
Remember, I said I don't trust the source of this particular voice note. This is a call conversation between an unknown gunman and their sponsor. Then they create insecurity in Imo State. And you that lives in Europe, your own ignorance is using you to cause chaos back home. You are a fool.
Where is your power?
Hey, how are you? Men on ground, how are you doing everything there? I had wanted to send a little thing through my boy to you guys, but I'm getting a very, very disturbing story that that to the extent of killing 4 of our men, 4 or 5 of our men. I heard 4, I heard 4 or 5. I don't know what happened.
I know which no name on the camp or camp is very active. Bao no road wonishi. Okoshi o second in command. But because Zuma no there, gentleman on the there, I said okay, gentle second in command. Zuma no road when on him home. Or be any nishi. and the zoo terrorists, my brother, Taka Point, oh, Zuma, when you have the call, Nasha Heavy. Oh, no way, Nasha Heavy. Now, gentlemen, I'm a politician, actual gentle, Wema, Ebono. I know I'm gas if I am man, I got singing every gentle, more than the more one. My way, I should like that man. Every gentle, oh, no roads, when you secondly command to gentle. But you the makeup with Georgia. Oh, my God, no special. And all the same camp with the gentle. I said, okay, yeah, that's coming. Now, I'm not trying to mother watch. Oh, no, road, when you know, it won't issue. Then no more battle she. More battle,
I don't want to believe the source of this particular voice call conversation. This thing them can this thing them can fabricated something, but let's hear it. So this thing them can this thing looks like fabricated.
Who is that man that was just saying who is he?
About this.
Is he in your camp?
If the police are and the Nigerian terrorists. Oh, I know. If I way about the two policemen, not had that AK. So when they were 5, then look nobody. Oh, this now, we need no keyboard keeping. On talking back idea. Eh?
Boy, how far?
Where is she power?
Hey, how are you?
Keeping. On talking back idea. Eh? Actually, bravo. They don't do him the first camp. Eh? Oh, no, Nemo. Oh, Nemo. Even bad this ambassador on the issue in one. Ambassador now, yeah, although when you come, Nigerian terrorists are already on our with them. But look at no roads. When you put your name in my mother, how many Nigerian terrorists no road to Baul? Oh, so many Nigerian terrorists. Oh,
oh yeah, hold on. I don't really trust the source of this particular thing. That's why I calm down. But now I have to pick some facts here. Do you know that you, as an Imo State person, game on now. Let's assume Imo State. Do you know that you, as an Imolite, if you carry AK-47 and go for robbery, I know you don't know this thing I'm telling you now. Do you know that you are a fool? For you as an Imolite to carry AK-47 going to kidnap your brother, do you know that you are a fool? Do you know that by birth, your state, your community is richer than the entire cities of Saudi Arabia? Do you know that this is beyond, I know some Reverend Fathers are watching me. Of course, many of them I discuss with them on the call. But do you know that you as a priest, if you say that you are a Reverend Father, and you're under the command and watch of the Roman Empire and their regime and all that, do you know that no matter the process of the school you went to, the processes that qualified you as a priest, hence it has to do with the Roman Empire? Do you know that if you stand against your brothers to speak the gospel truth, to power, but you say that you cannot say this because you're a priest. Do you know that you're an idiot? Do you know that you are a fool? That sultan, they have warned you. Stand and stick with it and tell them the truth. Tell your leaders the truth. Have any of you, these things I'm saying here, do you know that even if your Reverend Father does not know, do you know I can school him to this with facts and figure? Remember, it is not everything I said on this social space. There are many more I can say to you, maybe when we talk in the private. Ask people who speaks to me in the private. Their minds are built up. But quite unfortunate that not everybody has the courage. Even there are more secrets towards our mineral resources, especially in oil and gas, that I will tell you will shed tears. One day, if for any of your leaders to be a fool, these guys, do you see why I don't respect them? Your state assembly, my state assembly member, my dog is more precious to me than that idiot. He doesn't have say, doesn't have value. You know what this guy does? The highest thing a politician can do today in my own client is to plan how to buy his brother who is telling him the gospel truth. Do you see? Hold on. Do you see the kinds of people we have? You see these our brothers that are carrying guns about inside bushes. Bring them. Let me talk to them. Because somebody convinced them before they carried that gun. I will give them what we call natural brain reset. They will begin to think like human beings. They will be sorry for the evil activities they've done before. Do you know why? Like you now, sharing this broadcast is very, very important. Even to your WhatsApp, your family, your village, your community WhatsApp group. Because it is when they listen. See, the Bible says that faith cometh by hearing. Constant hearing of the word of God. What is the word of God? That Bible they gave to you. The Bible was written by man, not the word of God. Go and check. Make your true research. The Bible, that Bible that is deceiving you now, was written by man. That's why I reason it. And that's why I read it with all diligence and understanding. Because so many secrets that has held you bound is written in the Bible. Our mothers will tie Catholic wrapper. They will tie wrapper. That wrapper they tie. Please, someone, I want you to check. There is a symbol of chain on that wrapper they've tied, right? What can anybody tell me the true history of that particular chain? Good morning, Chisom. Can anybody tell me the history or the mystery behind that chain they throw on that wrapper? They pretend on that wrapper. You cannot, because our brains are caged as a people. Now, religion, I don't also ignore it. I look at it carefully. Do you know that if I want to use the wisdom God has given to us to make money, I swear to God, the coming of Zion in my community was an opportunity for me to make what we call more money. I'm telling you. Ask them in my kindred. I even advise my community, my kindred brothers, not to sell land. I have as I speak to you, I have authority in my community. Let me not say equal to the king because I don't want to insult him. But if I talk, if I give an order, it will be carried out more than this is live video I'm telling you. To be carried out equal to when a Federal House of Representative member speaks. My Federal House of Representative member does not even have the value I have in our local government. He doesn't have it. This is pure and nothing but the truth. The privilege, the acceptance I have in my village, in my local government. I'm not telling you village. Remember, Angopala is bigger than 3 local governments. The acceptance I have, forget this social media. It is life. They play, they show. The acceptance, because they know I say the truth. And if I want to call for meeting now, I don't need to print card. I don't need to start going around. I just need to click my voice on any WhatsApp group and talk just 5 WhatsApp group, my crowd will come to my house immediately. Yet, I've never taken advantage of anybody. This is the way it is. So, now let's look at it. For those idiots who wanted me to support Ebukobi and betray my people, do you know the natural love? I have dined and I grew up with these people. My dad, how on earth do you expect me to betray my dad, the grave of my ancestors? It is not possible. Iseke Mass returns. Valentine, you people didn't invite me officially, and 2, it's not everybody who just chat me and call me, I will start moving. Do you see the way it is? Somebody said there's nothing like chain there, that what you saw there is rosary. You are a fool. You can only be on this page now because if I insult you, you react back and I block you from here. You are a fool. Everything I've been teaching since, your brain is blocked. You are an idiot for being here. Just delete that your comment, go back and refine your head. You are finished as an individual. Igbo an idiot. Don't ever transfer this your Randy or Zoemena. Don't transfer this your stupidity now to your children in this life. For the sake of your children, don't go this far. Sacramental idiots should never exist here at all. We are telling you what we know. Daniel chapter 8. Daniel chapter 8. I was supposed to teach these things on Sunday. Daniel chapter 8 from verse 25. Let's say start from 20 to 25. The Bible says that by peace shall they destroy many. He said they shall even stand up against the Prince of Peace. The Bible was talking about the Western world and the authorities. The Bible, especially if you read down, the Bible says so many things about them. He said they shall clothe you with a new garment. What does that garment mean? He said even their women. Every rapper is a symbol. If you don't know, let me educate the eyes of your understanding if you don't know. Culturally, in Igbo land, don't dare the capacity of our knowledge. If you dare, igada. Don't dare, don't dare. We don't joke. We don't. If I had joined IPOB, and speak. You think those Mazemarabuchi, all those idiots to them who create page and all they do on social media is to insult people? You think that's what I'll be doing? I won't try that nonsense. I'll be dishing out a bombastic fact. That rapper your mother is tying. Nalibo, even in Europe. At the Roman Empire, have you asked yourself why they wear skit? Where did they get that skit audacity from? Do you know that in days of old, even till today, go and check on Anambra dress here, the Igwes from Anambra, from Aguleri, who lead them? The Igwe does not put on trousers or skits. But mothers represent the birth of generations. How do they dress? Do you want to their capacity about Ige Shineliada? The queens of England, the queens of Europe, the tie rapper. Many of them they kill her. Any rapper tied like this in the Western world is a symbol that this person cannot run. This person is in honor. Once they tie it like this, shows that that person is in slavery. In Igbo land, in our own Igbo cosmology, when our mothers tie 2 rappers, shows that only abonyenne. Age okay, 3 rappers. When our mothers ties 3 rappers, shows that this person are there Muslim way again. Thank you, my dear. It is called Peteri. Now I want to ask you, why did they design the particular that particular rapper you tie, they put in this idiot to say no, and say always rosary, this and that. But you, some of you should tag that idiot to be here. Let me finish you. Or delete another thing about so. Come here, you. Randy Ozemena. All of you should go under his comment and begin to react. Let him be here. As I'm teaching, brain give me pay. You are a fool. Idiot who wants to correct somebody who is far, far. I live in the mountains of knowledge. Bring that idiot here. If that thing is a rosary, and the Roman Empire, if that thing is not caged, if that thing is not, that rapper was designed to cage you as an African, as a Nigerian. Let me look for this thing and put here. Guys, follow the instruction and tag that fool. Go to his comment here. His comment is up. Screw up, you see it. Randy. You guys should tag him. Go to his comment there. Bring his attention to this. Let me finish him. Come near Mamihe. With the audacities of heaven, you must learn. Look for that rapper. Sorry, the network was bad. I am here. I go nowhere. Tag that fool. Let me make sure his knowledge is restored back. You cannot be a fool. You can't be in this program and remain a fool. You are even lucky that you kept quiet. By now, I block you here. Fool. Next time you learn how to stay in my page. I've stayed here for hours now. I'll soon leave here. So why do our mothers? I'm going to talk about this one day. This will be a topic for one day. I'll talk about it. So many mechanisms. That thing, he will be looking for a way to defend. Defend the Chineke Borogoko that place. Defend it. Chinamono them operate at the same frequency. Hold on, let me bring out this picture and show you. What's not rosary? Let me show you more rosary of chain. There are mad people. I will show you. One day I will tell you something about this thing. Makachuku, you can never allow your mother to tie this thing. Eziokwu that time. You see it, no you fight a Catholic, on fight who? Did I tell you that God is not real? Are you a fool? Why did they design it for you? Only show me one white woman who has tied a rapper. Show me one white woman who tied that rapper. And you're there talking nonsense. On Sunday, coming Sunday, may finish you know. Complete. Nkuchoku na Sunday, everybody who listens to me, you know why sometimes they tell some of us not to talk? Because if we talk, you have problem. If we talk, they will have problem. And when I look at those fools in Ingobal and they are talking nonsense, I look at them, all of you are nonsense people. Many of you have sense. Hold on. Let me upload this thing. It will be better for you. You remain here. Calm. So you give me 1 minute. I just want to export something here now. I will upload it. I don't know why it's not. So let us upload this now. So look at what I'm talking about. That idiot had to question me with. Do you see? How does this thing? Is this thing a symbol of rosary? Look at the other picture there. Look at the other picture. What does it show to you? What do you learn from here? I will leave you here at this point because I've stayed long here. I've stayed like 2 hours on this live broadcast. So I'm going to meet you some other time. Next week, Sunday, by the grace of God, as I have chance, I'll talk about this. And on that day, your eyes will open. Africans are foolish. The only day the entire African continent will be richer than Europe. They are richer. The day they will get wised up, the day they will become wise is the day Nigerians stand up to their feet and decide to liberate themselves. The moment Nigeria is liberated, if you go to Ghana, Ghanaians, they are proud of themselves. They think that they are the strongest, the richest in Africa. You go to Tunisia, they do the same thing. You go to Egypt, they say the same thing. Man, if you're an African listening to me, you are a son to Nigeria. You're a child to Nigeria. And it is only when Nigeria is liberated, you should be concerned about the freedom of Nigeria, total freedom of Nigerians. Because these people bear the vision of the whole world. They are great and blessed. But guess what? They are caused and manipulated by one man. Now, listen to me. Not up to 20 men sat in Berlin. Not up to 20 men, not up to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not up to 20 men sat in Berlin in Germany. And they splitted the territories of Africa. The resources, even the unseen natural resources of Africa then, because there are still things they are discovering now in Africa. They saw your tomorrow and they shared the territories of Africa. And every one of them, not up to 20 men, not up to 15, who sat the Berlin conference that has kept you the way you are today. It was not attended by more than 13 to 14 men, not even up to 11 men. That Berlin conference, you see, they were not up to 30 leaders. They were not up to 20. They sat down, they splitted your country. And that's why an Imo State person, Amahona, his state is richer than the city, the England. An Imo citizen doesn't know that his state is by far richer. And Ohaji Ebema, somebody person, does not know that his local government alone is richer than the entire Saudi Arabia. He doesn't know. So an Ohaji Ebema person is living in Dubai and he's listening to me. You are an idiot. Your state is richer. I mean, your local government is richer than Dubai. And you don't know. Single-handedly, Ohaji Ebema, the natural resources, I say they have more than 50 trillion cubics of gas. Don't listen to that 5 trillion they are telling you. So you don't know that Ohaji Ebema alone is richer than Israel. The entire city of Israel, Palestine put together. You don't know. You don't know that Ohaji Ebema is richer than in natural resources. Ohaji Ebema is richer than the city of Germany. And you are an Ohaji person. Chinaza, if you comment nonsense, I block you from here, you idiots. You don't have sense. When I ask you guys what has been your contributions towards liberating the mental slavery of our people, you've never contributed anything. You only be on the side of either you go and hide yourself under one church now, you be insulting Governor Eziokwu, or you have data and you have a phone. If you describe yourself that you have a car, and by the size of the brand new car you have, that is what has made you rich, you are an idiot. You must learn. Learning is an impactful way of knowledge. Back to what I was saying. If you comment, I'm here, I block you now. I don't take shit here. I'm not your mate. And even if I'm your mate, I should be younger than you. And you can't influence this space with your stupidity. I won't allow you because I didn't send you an invitation to be here. I won't respect any idiot on this space. Welcome back. So, upon everything you know in life, you can't even change anything. Upon whom you are, upon your wisdom, everything. Now, if I want to deal with some of you, if 15 men or men not up to 15 could tie down all your mentality, all this through, check millions of people you see in the shrine. There's a video online when you see some of these guys who does this, their women or something. You need to see their crowd. Let me show you. Let me check if I can find any of that video here. Okay, look at this. Look at this video. Just hold on. Let's see this video. Let's see this video. Let me check if this video will play here. I don't know if this video can play here for me to watch. God, please. Where they are doing something, a traditional something, and the level of crowd we saw there was much. It was massive, you know. So, all of you graduates, all of you pastors, all of you prayer warriors, all of you intellectuals, the video will play. So none of you can undo what 15 men did. The thousands of persons we have, and the National Assembly alone, do you know how many persons we have? Do you know how many senators we have? 100 and something senators. So out of 100 and something senators, 20, look at this crowd. So out of this crowd, this is Otimbu that posted this thing. So out of this crowd, idiots, 1,000 of you or 100 of you cannot undo what 15 persons did. They caged you mentally. They gave you religion. You yourself, you are here. You didn't even know the side you belongs to. The four of you gathered with all this your Yeye Calabash and start telling me that you're a native doctor. You know, some of you, if I on this social media show where I dealt with a native doctor, and they will be telling me that one is not original ROC, I should go and touch the original ROC. I don't know the one that is fake and the one that is original. All of them are fake in my eyes, because if I get there, you will know that there is something you don't know before now. The only time you would have believed Narosiga would be powerful, if I had got there after scattering it or after going there and come back, he expected me to die. I just laugh, because that thing is smelling nonsense to me. Something. This, I mind what I say, because pride. I may look like normal person. If you cross the door and come inside small, there's no smoke without fire. So sometimes you shut up. Okay. I've heard you. So you get what I'm saying? Those things you're doing, see, upon these things, there might be a secret I know. You've seen me, those of you who has followed me 2-3 years ago, you've seen me, I challenged some native doctors and they couldn't do anything. This is not my first time of going to pick a native doctor up. Do you know why I joined? I'm supposed to sit in the car, the police will do their job, but in case if they are afraid, now me go first enter your shrine, I will come in first with him. Those men thing, if you need Jabamba. Some of those native doctors, let me also tell you, they were also scammed. Somebody sold those calabash to them. Because now, that your black house, even that your voice in the that is where I will come in. I will scatter that thing. At my entrance, Obal also. One touch. Ukwamali Bezia. Are people who learns, whom are eager to learn and understand some things, and I dish it out to them according to what they need to learn. I don't need to tell you. It's almost 9. I have to leave. So you be careful. Sometimes you shut up. I have so many wisdoms that would have given me more, give me billions. You can imagine, spiritism alone That one is money. Me church, obego. I understand the Bible and I can mix the both of them together. I can mix it Jesus plus. I'm a mihen game. So say na about soko if you invite me buy oko. One touch. Nothing. Pin. I'm a pom now. You think they don't try me? I want a man me hear noise again. You think they don't try me? They do, man. But I am here. Have you ever seen me tell you that I'm afraid of any Ogboni person? Ogboni na more on him name. They learn work to what I do, okay? Yes. When they did not say that I was in a joker, some of us are deeper than what you can imagine. So shut up. Only Bonil, I'll block you from here. You're a bastard. Because you still believe in those nonsense. And you are one of the promoters of nonsense. All the while I've been teaching about gas here, explaining about the marginalization and certain abnormalities going on in Africa. Did this only Bonile comment here? Thunder should uproot you, the Shanamites. Onwike the idiots. You only come out because you dibia. And as only Bonine, you created it because you go. But to find way and work in oil and gas industries, haven't you been here? I let out certain secrets. Then when a certain product on apota from the oil gas cubic centers, Hajebema, that can accommodate more than 1,000 from the Igbo extraction, and that 1,000 persons are entitled to become billionaires in less than 1 year. Did you chat me private to ask me the secret of that, and that I may tell you? Kigachawa means to lobby. You did not. But now, because shrine is mentioned, and that's why you're commenting, Thunder Babu Ogi that place. You are an idiot. I curse you by nature. You are a fool. Check your life. You will just remain this useless for the rest of your life because in what sense? Upon the fact I can prove these things to you beyond all reasonable doubt. Do you know the things I do? On this live section, do you know that I no go like this? Do you know that I have stood on this live section? Go see you know something. Go and ask people who knows me before. I can get a chicken, bed, buy that chicken, bury it on the ground, go another place, dig again, bring out the same chicken I buy there, bring it out again, a live one. I can do it also in the same ground. I've done it on video like this. What means have I not showed you to come out of that your easy mentality? You will not. Ask this only Boni Elena, how prosperous is the business you do? Idiot. He maybe the same way he remained the last 2 years. That's the same way he is. If you have one shop for 5 years, you are a fool. That's what this man John Doe in Lagos told me when I started business newly. You don't think about growth. This last year December you came back with a car. This year you came back with a new car again. Okoro Biafonse, you don't grow, you don't increase, you don't follow knowledge. You be on my page, Eziokwu, man. Do you know what you're doing? And I'll be teaching, you can't even learn, and you're telling me now Igbo when you don't have sense. Ono Guinea, honor your family. Kuchago honor your family before you say that you are non Igbo. Fool. Even my last younger brother is deadly in knowledge than this your entire miserable life. A little boy that's not up to 20 years. If you share this thing with him, he'll tell you, man, get out. Even my little son, Fabian, you can't breathe this thing to him. The boy will not look at you and say, man, you know why? Because I talk to him. If you see where I sit with Fabian and I am dishing out knowledge upon him, let me show you how responsible little kids of good minds are. My dear little son comes back from school around 5:30 every day. Every day. And the moment I have opportunity to be with him, the moment I'm around. Hence, he comes back. I help him, direct him how to do his homeworks every day. Hence, I'm around. After tutoring him on how to do his homework, I would allow him sleep a little, and I wake him. At that time I wake, and I begin to speak to him, counsel him, explain things to him. When I started it earlier, he doesn't ask questions, but as I speak to you now, he do ask questions. Do you know one thing I've discovered? Even when I'm not around, some of my younger ones or my cousins will always tell me that he wakes up. At that time I wake up. Yes, I will check the message. He wakes up. You know, when he wakes, even if I'm not there with him, he wakes up and he will stand up, sit a little. Sometimes he sleeps back. So that spirit has entered him. That knowledge has entered him. Your father would always quote and say, my father told me. Now that my father told me, I have inculcated it into my son. And believe me, the next generation, this boy will refine whatever I do. His own wisdom will be far than mine. What are you doing with your time? Fools don't learn. Fools claims they've learned. Fools believes they know enough. And guess what? Fools don't ask good questions. Instead of them to keep ask questions, you know what they do? When you go to occasion, you see people seated like this, or in a classroom, you see somebody seated like this in Africa. He's not suspending this his hands because here is paining him. He's suspending this shoulder because he doesn't want his shoulder to be equal with that of others. That's a symbol of pride. That is the idiotic mentality of somebody with this color skin like this. Don't expect him to reason well. Any black man you see that reasons well like human being, it is divine. He or she was divinely packaged. Do you know why I listened to Chimamanda? Do you know why? A woman amongst women. That's what she is to my sight. The quality of such women are scarce. She might not be beautiful on the face, but she's an angel in knowledge. Could you imagine if you're a cook in Chimamanda's house? If I were to be that kind of person, if I have such opportunity, I won't think of salary. Rather, the things I will learn from that little space will give an impact into my life forever. Many of you don't wish to leave this class, right? Hello? Hello? Governor Eziokwu is my name. Please, I am on live section. Should I talk to you later? Many of you don't wish. This kind of long broadcast, I stage or I dish it out once in a while. Who are your mentors? Are they your tormentors? Mind people you follow. Mind the kind of things you read. Mind the people you dine with. Come on, listen to me. The other day, I was on live section and I remembered I need to bar some people. I blocked so many people. Now, today, again, do you know why I have this policy or standard of when you do nonsense, I block you? Not everyone needs to come into your coast. It is not pride. Filtering. Do you know why they filter? When our mothers, they want to make my or agidi, they will filter the corns after grinding it. They need to filter. There are people you need to filter out of your life. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is brave. Now, in my room, my dad knows. My younger ones knows. My workers knows. Security knows. My sisters, they know. My little son knows that every piece of paper kept in my room is an idea. That is why, before they sweep any room where I sleeps, they will ask me. They will take my permission. They will seek for my permission before they go there. And if I say go ahead, I will sit in my room. They will be sweeping. And while even if I'm not seated in the room, if I'm at the sitting room, they will always come and show me, Uncle, this paper, I found this one here. Uncle, if I'm not close, every piece of paper, they will pack it and keep somewhere. One day, I'll show you my room. One day, I'll just turn camera. I'll go to my room and just show you my room, show you where I sleep. I need you to see where I keep books. The things I wrote already. One of my friend, we call him Lubare. He's an Ogoni guy, so he stays around me. He's a very smart person. Yes, because he's closer to me, I will not tell you his Facebook handle here. So he's a very close person to me. So this guy said that he prefers the things I wrote by myself than the books I've read through. Listen to this thing. The guy made sense there. He said, Governor, I regard every piece of paper I pick either from your car or even in the house more than any book you've read before. And I said, why? I said, how? He says that what I write is conclusion of the book and not the whole process of the book. I will come back and transfer or copy or gather something out of it and summarize in my own books. So every piece of paper he picks around me is an impact to him. So I now say to him, jokingly, I say, no pick receipt of whether I use buy something one day or things like that. He said, no. He say, hence he sees me, anything I write and he find out that makes sense, he will definitely copy from it. While you were at secondary school level, right? Some of your friends, some of your brave friends in those days, they copy, they tell you to give them your notes. They copy from your notes. Now, at the stage end of every exercise books, you know what we do? When you come there, they are trying to teach you something and a different thing flees into your brain. You turn the back of the paper and write something so that you don't forget while you continue copying or writing what you're doing, right? I don't know if you get what I'm saying now. So whatever you copy later, you now, sometimes when you lack or run out of ideas or thereabout, you turn back to the backs of your piece of note and all that and start copying back again. You discover that at some point, you begin to make sense more than the teacher, more than the person who taught you that thing. Because that's your own extra knowledge sometimes. That's why in a classroom, how do I explain this? Because I'm about living this live broadcast. Man, some people will be like confused. This guy will not understand that. So sometimes you discover that a teacher will be teaching in the class and the student will just be like, just pause a bit and say, excuse me, sir. The teacher will say, yes, go ahead. The student will make more sense or more meaning, add more value into what the teacher is teaching, and the teacher will be like, you know, it is hard for a teacher in Nigeria to accept correction, but some of them will say, yes. That's also another point. Instead of giving credit, direct credit to that student, he say, okay, that's also right, but what I'm saying is, Oga, shut up, give credit to this young man. He has done better. Some of them will also summon the courage and say, excellent. They will just scream, excellent, and they'll come up, clap for him. He's also surprised. So the extra knowledge you acquire on your own. Bye for now. My name is Governor Eziokwu. I have some important things to catch up with. Bye-bye for now.